Dear students, today we will start new chapter number 6, applications of derivatives. In application of derivatives, we have to apply derivative in different topics. First topic is rate of change. Rate of change means change in one quantity with respect to the other quantity. As you know that in science, velocity is the change in displacement with respect to time. Acceleration is change in velocity with respect to time. So same way, here we have to find out change in one quantity with respect to the other quantity. When we write dy by dx, it means change in y with respect to x. If we write dy by dt, it means change in y with respect to t. Dx upon dt is change in x with respect to t. We know that area of circle is pi r square. Change in area with respect to time, we will write dA upon dt. dA upon dt is change in area with respect to time, and if we differentiate here, it is pi into 2r dr upon dt. If we want to find out change in area with respect to radius, we will write dA upon dr. Change in area of circle with respect to radius, it is now pi into 2r. So change depend on with respect to किसके रेस्पेक्ट में हम चेंज फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं, उसके ऊपर डिपेंड करेगा कि dA अपॉन dr आएगा या dA अपॉन dt आएगा. इसमें कोई नया फॉर्मूला नहीं है, सिर्फ आपको चेंज निकालना है by using the given relation or already defined relations. See exercise 6.1. Question number 1. Find the rate of change of area of circle with respect to radius r when r is 3. So here area of circle is pi r square. dA upon dr is 2 pi r. Change in area with respect to radius, and we have to find out dA upon dr at r is equals to 3. So 2 pi into r3, we can say 6 pi centimeter square per centimeter. The unit of area is centimeter square. Unit of radius is centimeter. So we will write 6 pi centimeter square per centimeter. Then you see question number 2. The volume of a cube is increasing at the rate of 8 centimeter cube per second. So here change in volume is given 8 centimeter cube per second. dV upon dt is 8 centimeter cube per second. How fast is the surface area increasing when the length of edge is 12? We have to find out change in surface area. How fast means surface area में change निकालना है with respect to time. So to get surface area, what is the formula for surface area of cube? We know that volume of cube is side cube and surface area is 6 side square. Volume is side cube, surface area is 6 side square. Let side of cube be at centimeter. If side of cube be x, then its volume is x cube, and dv upon dt is 3x square dx upon dt. So by differentiating volume with respect to time, we will get change in volume with respect to time. So dv upon dt 3x square, and differentiation of x with respect to t is dx upon dt. So here dv upon dt is given 8. 3x square dx by dt. Or dx by dt is 8 upon 3x square. So from this we can find value of dx by dt, that is 8 upon 3x square. And now we want to find out change in surface area. Surface area is 6x square, and change in surface area with respect to time is ds upon dt. 12x dx by dt. The differentiation of surface area with respect to time is ds upon dt. And now you can put value of dx by dt. So ds upon dt is 12x 8 upon 3x square. ds upon dt is equals to x cancel. 3 to 12, 4, 32 upon x, and we have to find ds upon dt when as is 12 centimeter. So ds upon dt at x is equals to 12 is 32 upon 12. 32 upon 12 cancel by 4, 8 by 3 centimeter per second, centimeter square. The unit of ds upon dt is 8 by 3 centimeter square per second. So in this way you can find change in surface area by using given change of volume with respect to time. Change in volume is given. By using that we can find change in surface area. Then question number 4. Question number 4. An age of variable cube is increasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. So age of cube is increasing at 3 centimeter per second. dx upon dt is 3 centimeter per second. How fast volume of cube increasing when the edge is 10 centimeter long? We have to find out change in volume. How fast volume of the cube is increasing? So let edge of cube is equals to x centimeter, and volume of cube is side cube, volume is equals to x cube. Then dv upon dt 3x square dx by dt, dv upon dt 3x square, dx by dt is given 3. So we will get dv upon dt is equals to 9x square, and we have to find out dv upon dt when as is 10 centimeter. So dv upon dt at x is equals to 10, 9 into 10 square. So dv upon dt 900 centimeter cube per second. So in this way you can find change in volume when side of cube is 10 centimeter. Question number 6. The radius of circle is increasing at the rate of 0.7 centimeter per second. What is the rate of increase in surface circumference? We have to find change in circumference. The rate of change of circumference you have to find out. Radius में change दे रखा है, तो let radius is r. And dr upon dt is given 0.7 centimeter per second. Then you have to find out change in circumference. Circumference is equals to 2 pi r. Change in circumference dc upon dt is 2 pi dr upon dt. So dc upon dt 2 pi dr upon dt is 0.7. So dc upon dt is equals to 1.4 pi centimeter per second. So in this way you can find change in circumference of a circle when change in radius is given. Next question number 7. Question number 7. The length x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 5 centimeter per minute. So length x dx upon dt is decreasing means minus 5 centimeter per second. Per minute, not per second. And width is increasing y. Width y increasing at the rate of 4 centimeter per minute. X is given 8, y is given 6 centimeter. Find the rate of change of the perimeter and rate of change of area of circle. Area of rectangle, not circle. We have to find change in perimeter and change in area. And we know that perimeter of rectangle is, so here length is x and breadth is y. So perimeter is 2L plus B. Perimeter is 2L plus B. P is equals to 2x plus y. dP upon dx, dP upon dt, 2 dx upon dt plus dy by dt. By differentiating with respect to t, dP upon dt, 2, the value of dx upon dt is minus 5 and it is 4. So dP upon dt is equals to minus 2 centimeter per minute. It means perimeter is decreasing. Perimeter is decreasing at the rate of minus 2 centimeter per minute. At the rate of minus 2 centimeter per minute. So here perimeter is decreasing. Same way we can find change in area. And we know that area of rectangle is L into B. dA upon dt x into y. Sorry, A is equals to. Then dA upon dt x dy by dt plus y dx by dt. Differentiate by product rule. X is given 8 and dy by dt is given 4 plus y is given 6, dx upon dt is minus 5. So dA upon dt 32 minus 30. So dA upon dt is 2 centimeter per minute. It means area of circle is increasing. It means area of rectangle increasing at 2 centimeter per minute. So in this way you can find change in area of rectangle. So in this way you can find different rate of change in different situations. According to situation, you have to take the decision. You have to differentiate with respect to time or with respect to centimeter radius or with respect to perimeter. So depend on the language of the question. So according to that you can find rate of change. Tomorrow we will see some more questions of rate of change. Till then, goodbye.